Welcome to your onboard processing email template tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the templates that you purchased and insert them into a new message so that you can send it off to your new client. So here's the templates, or there's one similar that you purchased. Each one is for different process steps in the when you're getting a new client or after a new client. So like for this one is before discovery call emails, after receiving the intake form, after discovery call email, share your service guide, and then follow up email, no response. So these are all responses that you can send off to your clients. And so for this video, I'm just going to show you the before discovery call email after receiving the intake form. So I'm going to click on the subject like that, back click and do copy. Then I'm going to go over to my Gmail, compose, and then I'm just going to paste the subject right in there. And then you're going to want to insert your business name there. And then we're going to go back to our onboarding process emails. And then we're going to click. So don't do your name or your email signature because I'm going to show you again how to insert your email signature. Or if you don't want to put the email signature in, you can select all of that and then just update the info. So we're just going to back click, copy, and then just paste it right in. And then there you go. There's all your template and it has all the wording correct. And the only thing you need to do is enter your client's name and then either enter your name and your information, or you can, I'll show you once again, we're going to just insert our signature like so. So that inserted a little bit low. So for aesthetic, I'm going to backspace. And also you can put your name again if you want, but then also have your email signature at the bottom so they know how to contact you. And yeah, then you would just send this off to your new client or existing client.